How do you remove stubborn hard water stains from shower glass without using harsh chemicals? That's a fantastic question. I'm Alice, and this is Cleans. This is the show where you ask cleaning questions, and I help you find safe and effective answers. Hard water stains leave your shower glass looking dull and cloudy. But here's the good news. You don't need harsh chemicals to fix this. In today's video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step process that's quick, affordable, and safe for you and your family. For this project, you'll need just a few items: white vinegar, baking soda, a spray bottle, a non-scratch sponge, a microfiber cloth. Start by rinsing the glass with warm water. Then, spray a mixture of white vinegar and water generously onto the stains. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes to break down the deposits. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste. Using a non-scratch sponge, scrub the glass in circular motions, focusing on the stained areas. Be gentle. Let the paste do the work. Rinse the glass thoroughly with warm water to remove residue. Use a microfiber cloth to dry the surface, leaving it streak-free and sparkling. Use a squeegee after every shower to reduce water buildup. For extra protection, apply a glass sealant. And there you have it, simple and effective ways to tackle those tough bathroom stains. But hey, we know life can get busy and not everyone has the time to deep clean their bathroom. That's where Cleans comes in. Cleans is a professional cleaning agency that can handle any mess, big or small. Whether it's your bathroom, kitchen, or entire home, they'll make it spotless while you focus on what matters most. Plus, they offer affordable rates to fit any budget. Check them out and make cleaning one less thing to worry about. Call us today to book your space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning tips and tricks.
See you next time.